quick video for you to let you know about this amazing thing that
Thanks for this awesome video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking. Just getting ready and for going to a friend's wedding invitation. And before that, I wanted to record this quick video for you to let you know about this amazing thing that I've learned over the last 2 years, which is, it's not about the things that you get, the accumulation, but it's the person you become. So often, I have been in situations like this, and I'm sure you have seen people like that who achieve a great level of success, but inside you know that they are actually not happy. In fact, yesterday I met an amazing individual, a gentleman who has achieved amazing level of success in his professional life, personal life. He came from middle class background, and he has achieved great success in his professional life and money and stuff like that, and house and cars. But when I was having a conversation with him, he was very transparently, and I respect that about him, he was telling me that my life is completely fucked up and screwed up because I'm not happy. And that actually is not very uncommon many times, and that actually is a reminder for me and a reminder for you. So often the people that I work with and coach, one of the things I often tell people is what's the point of having a big AC in your room if your heart is not peaceful? What's the point of having a big car going fast if you are not moving forward in life? What's the point of having a top view mountain top from your house if you are not being on the top of your own life? And what's the point of having a lot of money if you're not using a little bit of it to give it away to actually inspire and impact people? And look, by no way, in no capacity, I'm perfect. I'm the person just like you with flaws and different things. But I know one thing for sure, that at the end of my life, when I'm having the last 5 minutes of my life, I don't want to say, thank God I made the most money. I want to say, thank God that I believed in myself. Thank God I kissed a lot to the people who matter. I thank God I hugged my life partner, my brother, my father, my friends. Thank God that I actually took some amazing time for myself. Thank God I made an impact. What about you? At the end of your life, what kind of a life do you want to live? You decide that. So tonight before go to bed, maybe take a few minutes, maybe take 5 minutes and decide how do you want to feel at the end of your life, the final 5 minutes of your life. If you're dying, final 5 minutes, what do you want to think? What do you want to do, and how do you want to feel? If you can decide that, your actions today become very, very easy for you. I hope this tip helps you and serves you. And if it does, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share this video out to other people. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.